Sa baby community, it's me, Ernest Espinosa. And as you can see, nasa labas ako ngayon. But it doesn't mean I can't give you guys the content. Okay, let's start. So, ngayon na pag-usapan natin is yung 5 steps to become a good influencer. Okay, so itong good influencer is not only sa pagiging good influence sa tao. This is also portrays dun sa mga gusto maging content creators, di ba? So, I think this video would help you. And let's start. So, muna, syempre sa content creating and becoming a good influencer, dapat lagi muna nating isipin, number 1, content. Content is very important. Bakit? Kasi when you create something, when you decide to do something, dapat isipin mo muna if yung content na yun is effective ba, if like patok ba siya sa generation, sa nangyayaring sitwasyon ngayon. So I think content is the very important factor when it comes to content creating and influencing other people. Number 2, efficiency. Ngayon, why efficiency? Kasi syempre in content creating, once you have your content, dapat you would think if it's effective. Ngayon, pag effective nga, dapat hindi lang dahil sa effective, dapat it should be efficient. Since it's effective, then just keep on going. Hindi yung pag effective hanggang doon ka na lang. Dapat you should have your efficiency. Dapat your consistency should be always there. Dapat go lang ng go, grind lang ng grind hanggang sa mag-develop at soon maging successful ka. Okay, number 3, creativeness. Ngayon, sa content creating, pati sa consistency, sa effectiveness, dapat nandun din ang creativity mo. Kasi in content creating, dapat you think of a lot of ideas. Dapat you think of a lot of the factors needed into that content. Dapat madami kang ideas. Hindi lang sa sarili mo. You could ask your team or you could ask your elders about anong magandang idagdag or ano pwede bawasan. It's like, you should be creative. Dapat hindi lang yung basta yung nauuso ba. Nauuso yung ginagawa mo. Dapat you would also think of an idea na parang magugulat yung tao at eventually magugustuhan nila. Tapos they will also catch on to the trend. So I think it's just really important na magkaroon tayo ng creative mind kasi dyan nabubuo lahat ng ideas at dyan nabubuo ang lahat ng mga discoveries ba. Okay guys, number 4, honesty. Ngayon, dapat lagi kang honest, especially when you're creating a content. Kasi when you share an information, dapat lagi kang honest. Hindi yung dahil yun ang nauusong trend, gagayahin mo na what if kung mali yun. Or gagawa ka ng storya para lang makagawa ng content. Hindi pwede yun. Dapat you should be honest because you're reflecting on who you are. What you post and what you share is reflecting who you are. Kaya napaka-importante maging honest. Lastly, number 5, decision making. Now, in all those steps, dapat meron kang decision making. You need to have a good decision making. Bakit? Kasi when you have a bad decision making, kung baga di mo pinag-isipang mabuti yung gagawin mo, baliwala yung 4 steps. Kaya napaka-vital, napaka-importante itong pang 5th step kasi kailangan mo yan. Kasi for you to initiate all this, you need to have a good decision making. Dapat pinag-iisipan mo mabuti before you initiate, before you take on the plan. So, halimbawa, nakahanap ka ng bagong content. Pag-isipan mo muna, should it be done or ano bang kaya ko pang i-enhance dito? So, kailangan talaga sa pagdating sa decision, dapat yan talaga kailangan pinagpaplanuhan muna for you to avoid mistakes. Although mistakes are always there because eventually mistakes turn into success. Pero importante pa din yung marunong tayo, yung skill na ma-avoid yung mga ganun. So again, I'm Aaron Espinosa and I hope this content would help all of you and I wish to do more of this content with you guys. Again, I'll see you next time. Peace.